Hello children, welcome to the virtual session again. So today let us see what are we going to do. We are going to do journal work today. So journal writing for an experiment based on Spirogyra. So before we start with the activity, we need to understand the journal work. You need to strictly adhere to the instructions given below. You have bought books, and in that book you will have a book with hardcover, pages blank on one side, ruled on the other. So this you are going to pick it as a science journal. You have to draw 2 centimeter margin on the right hand side of every ruled page. So journal work should look very neat. That's why you need to have a 2 centimeter margin on the right hand side of every ruled page. Diagrams to be drawn on blank side of the page, and diagrams labeling to be done with black ball point pen. Activity writing part on the rule side of the page. So writing part all should go on the rule side of the page. Aim, things required, that means apparatus, procedure, observation, result, conclusion, all that writing part will go on the rule side of the page. And a very neat and a tidy journal work is expected from your children. So please strictly adhere to these instructions for the journal. Let us see, we are going to do mounting of Spirogyra. That means you are going to freshly prepare a slide of Spirogyra and you are going to see under the microscope. So today in today's session you are going to start writing your journal, and we are going to see this experiment. We are going to do this experiment in the lab. So aim to mount and study the characteristics of Spirogyra. Spirogyra, multicellular organism. It has filaments. So multicellular organism, you are going to observe a single cell of the Spirogyra under the microscope, and you will see the internal structure of the Spirogyra. So the apparatus required over here: glass slide, dropper, Spirogyra sample, cover slip, water, filter paper, watch glass, needle. These are the things required, and when you will do it in the lab, you will need all these apparatus to do this experiment. Procedure: from the watch glass, take a sample of Spirogyra, a very few filaments on a slide. So you are going to collect only few filaments and you are going to mount it on the slide. See that the filaments are separated so that each filament seen clearly, and also we can focus on a single cell of the Spirogyra. Place a drop of water on the sample on the slide. Cover with the cover slip. If the water is excess, dab the edges of the cover slip with a filter paper. So if the water is excess, you need to remove it, because any water droplets inside excess water or air bubbles formation will hamper or it will affect our observation. So we need to see that excess water should be removed, and tap gently with the blunt side of the needle if not separated. So you need to take care of all this before you see under the microscope. Place the slide on the stage of the microscope and observe with the microscope at low power. So low power means 10x. It has microscope has higher magnification as well, but we need only 10x magnification, and the clear internal structure or one single cell we can focus and we can see. Observations: you will see it's a green color algae. It is a filamentous with cells attached end to end. So you will observe it under the microscope. In each cell there is centrally located nucleus. So there are some cell organelles you can observe in that Spirogyra filaments. So cell organelles you will see nucleus, and then you will see it contains spirally arranged chloroplast which gives green color to the Spirogyra, and there are cytoplasmic strands holding nucleus. So you will see some strands holding the nucleus. The cell is covered with a cell wall and a filament called mucilaginous sheath. This goes with the observation, and then conclusion. Finally you draw conclusion that the slide of Spirogyra was mounted and its characteristics was studied. So we freshly prepared the slide of Spirogyra, and we have studied its features, its characteristics under the microscope. Then here how you see Spirogyra, the filaments of Spirogyra under the microscope. When you keep the slide on the stage of the microscope and you focus, you see these filaments. So one strand, one filament magnified, you see many cells together. So your many cells together, it's a multicellular organism. So now we will focus and see on one single cell. So one single cell looks like this, and you have to draw this diagram. One single cell, we will have a cell wall, we'll have a cytoplasm, that, and then you will have a chloroplast, nucleus, systemic cytoplasmic strands you will see, which we have discussed. And if this diagram is not clear with you children, you can draw this diagram, which is very clear. Any one diagram, either this or this. You can draw the cytoplasmic strands, which you can see in this diagram. You can draw over here, dotted strands you can draw in this diagram, and this diagram is very clear. I hope the instruction of journal writing very clear to you. So we will continue with the session of writing a journal, because you need sufficient time. So we will finish our journal writing in 2 sessions children. Now after this, you will have a video on Spirogyra under microscope. You will actually see when you do this experiment how Spirogyra looks like. So that will be a narration of Spirogyra internal structure and the filaments, how it looks like. So please see the video after this to get your concept clear. I hope the instructions are very clear with you. Thank you. Have a great day.